To begin our koala, you're going to need a small piece of charcoal to make a circle right in the center of your paper. We're using the charcoal on the side and just gently rubbing it around to create a circle. You don't need to press hard. The koala is gray, so just lightly shade in till you reach the size of the circle that you want. Next, to blend it in and make it look soft, use 1 or 2 fingers or even a small paper towel to lightly blend the color into the paper. Don't press too hard because we will be erasing some of this. Next, I'm creating the shoulders by just laying down my piece of charcoal, and on each side underneath the neck, I'm going to make a curved line, and then I'm going to blend that in. I'm going to leave the middle white for some white fur on his tummy. Next, I'm going to use the charcoal to create some smaller circles for the ears, just very lightly. Right now it's going to kind of look like Mickey Mouse, but it will change. We're going to blend those in, make them look soft and fluffy. Now, next I'm going to use the kneaded eraser. The reason it's called kneaded is because you need to knead in the color to clean it off a little bit. You can also reshape it. I like to make it a little bit pointy. And then I'm just going to take the end of it and erase a little bit of inside of the ear. Then I'm going to knead that color or the charcoal in there to clean it off. It also kind of cleans off your fingers. I'm going to do the other ear. Then I'm going to make 2 circles for around the eyes. The eyes are going to be drawn inside of those spots. I'm going to clean up the inside a little bit. You could, the edges if you like. Now I'm going to draw with the tip of the charcoal. I'm going to do 2 circles within the white circle. I'm going to leave a little bit of white shine or reflection in the top of the eye when I color it in. And then I'm going to make the large oval-shaped nose. I like to draw lightly until I get the right shape. I'm also going to leave a little tiny reflection on the top corner of his nose and then color the rest in. Now, be careful for these parts not to brush your hand over and smudge them. Underneath the nose, a tiny little line going down vertically, and then his little mouth. I'm also going to just lightly put a little bit of a shadow underneath his head to kind of separate it and give it a little bit of dimension underneath, and then I'll blend it in. I'm just darkening it up a little bit to create a bit of a shadow underneath his head. Now you can add some more details if you want to go around the edges and darken them up a little bit to also give it a little more of a 3-dimensional look. Maybe you want to add a little bit of a fuzzy line around the edge to make them look a little bit more furry. Any other details you want to add, and then we're going to move on to the colored pastels for the background. Faber-Castells are my favorite, but any kind of pastel or chalk for the background will work. Just lightly color it in with the side. You're just going to fill in some of the color, and then we'll blend and soften the color with a paper towel. Maybe you want to try different colors mixed together. You can get creative. Maybe you want to add a little eucalyptus tree in the background, your choice, and then just blend it in with a paper towel, soften it up. Be careful not to blend over the koala. Go real close around the edges of your koala.